guys, today I'm going to be sharing you a beautiful and awesome platform called SUNLOTERY. I've been trying to convince people enough, but with this my evidence again. Today, if you are my group, one of my students, you know that I do make mention of frustration day. So it's just like double day. We always call it double day. So as you can see in my account, see my account. This is not a screenshot. That's why I do this video. This is not a screenshot. It's free. You can see in my account. See, you see 134. So that is my earning for today because I'm doing this SUNLOTERY. This is the biggest platform for me. It's very awesome. I hope you will join. If you join this beautiful platform, you will really enjoy it. So let me just go and scroll so I can. Let me just minimize. Let me just check my so I can know how my account was, my previous account. So you can know the amount that is there before. So that's why I'm just showing you this. So let me just scroll down and down. So let me just scroll down. So I'm trying to check my account, how my account was before. So yeah, as you can see, this is my account before. So you can see 60,000 naira. That was my account before. So out of this 60,000 naira, I made withdraw. So I made withdraw. So and then it remained like I made withdraw of 9,900. Let me show you my withdraw. I made withdraw yesterday. I got the payment today, this morning. Let me just show you. As you can see, you see the just every time I'm showing you, just try to check the dates, and check the amount. Sorry, check the amount, and then I'm going to show you another one. The alert entered this morning. So as you see this alert. So you can see, just check the dates, and the time that it comes in. So for you to know that this is real and legit, okay? So I'm not doing anything scam. This is not MMM. This is not posing scheme. I've already explained how it works. This beautiful opportunity gives you 100% assurance for not doing anything, and you make profit every day. In as much you have invested, in as much you are one of their members and you have invested into the system, then you start making money every day. So this is a beautiful platform. Let me now go back to my account. You can see. You see that this is not a screenshot. I'm intentionally loading it. I will log in now. You see my account. You see that it's loading. So it's not a screenshot. It's not fake. It's not copied. It's original. So if you are here to join this platform, kindly join. Don't misuse this opportunity. This is a great opportunity. Kindly join. It's a beautiful platform. You will really enjoy it. As you can see, can you see it now? Can you see it? So that is all. If you are watching my YouTube for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can you give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and make sure you comment on the comment section. I wish you a happy weekend ahead of you. Thanks for watching. I'm Crown by name, Crown Johnson. Good day and love you. Bye.